I love scalloped chicken and noodles, and I'm going to show you my thrifty way. You'll need 2 packs of Knorr pasta sides chicken flavor plus 2 cups of water, 1 can of chicken breast drained, 1/2 pack or 4 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup of plain panko breadcrumbs, and optional 2 tablespoons of Italian breadcrumbs, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, but no salt. In a large pan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil, and then add your Knorr pasta side chicken flavor. Add 1 at a time and stir. You can turn the temperature down to medium-high. Add 1 can of chicken breast, drained. Make sure you drain it. And I like to use a knife and cut it up into smaller pieces as I'm adding it to the noodles. And keep stirring. Add 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, and if you like a lot of pepper, add more. But for this recipe, no salt is needed. We're going to add 4 ounces of cream cheese. You can add it all at once or 2 ounces at a time. Just make sure to cut it into cubes. Reduce the heat and simmer on low. Spray a 9x12 baking pan with non-stick spray and add your noodles 1 heaping spoonful at a time. I preheated my oven at 400 degrees. Let's make the crumb topping. In a large skillet, melt 4 tablespoons of butter. That would be 1/2 of a stick. Once it's melted, add 1/2 cup of your panko breadcrumbs. If all you have is seasoned breadcrumbs, go ahead and use them. This is just my preferred recipe. And then the 2 tablespoons of Italian breadcrumbs, or whatever combination that you'd like. Keep stirring until the breadcrumbs have absorbed the butter. You might even see a light golden brown. But don't worry too much if they still look light in the skillet. We're going to put this in the oven at 400 degrees, and that's what's really going to brown the breadcrumbs. Sprinkle the breadcrumbs on top of the noodles. And then spread evenly. I started out at 12 minutes, but I did add 2, so 14 minutes total. We're not cooking it, we're just browning the breadcrumbs. Our side dish is going to be a can of Aldi fried apples with cinnamon. If you have never had these, they are absolutely delicious. We just put them in a dish and microwave them until they're warm. The browning looks pretty good. You can go a little darker if you'd like, but I'm happy with this. Can you hear that sizzle? You can get 6 really nice servings out of this, or serve it as a side dish, but tonight it's our dinner. One of the things that I love about scalloped chicken and noodles is the breadcrumb topping. You know that Stouffer stuff you can get at the grocery store? Let me tell you, this is far, far better. And that stuff's gotten pretty expensive lately. It smells so good. And I promise you, if you like scalloped chicken and noodles, you will absolutely love this recipe. Thanks for watching. I'm Vicki with Thrifty Recipes. I appreciate a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.